Hey, what's going on guys? This is Addison from LeSueur Car Company. Today we're going to take a look at the 2019 Audi e-tron Prestige and its massageable seats and how to access it. Let's get right to it. So this vehicle is one of the more premium vehicles that we have on the lot. And this 2019, even though it is about 4 years old, it definitely still holds to its prestige character. Right as you open up the door, you're invited by the interior of the cockpit. But something that is super cool is right here, which are the massageable seats. So basically, how do you turn them on? Well, I'm gonna show you. So you start by pressing this button right here. While you're sitting down and when you press it, you're invited with this quick little screen. And basically, you are shown 3 different types of massages. You got pulse, stretch, and relaxation. So right now we're at level 3 intensity, and you can go to intensity 1 or 2 and 3 of course. And with the different types of massages, relaxation actually focuses on going one by one with these little tiny dots, which is actually so awesome. Like right now I'm feeling it. It is fantastic. Stretch kind of goes with like a row of dots. So you'll have like a row of dots go on your lower back, middle of your back, upper back, and so on and so forth. And pulse kind of goes from column to column going one by one, which right now is also absolutely phenomenal. So a quick review right now on while it's doing it. It is so freaking awesome. This is so awesome. I have never felt massageable seats that are like this in a car. If you guys saw the Volkswagen ID videos, this definitely beats it. But anyways, guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!